What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kat, and this is my channel. Subscribe if you have not already by clicking the red subscribe button down below, becoming a member of my warrior crew. So today, I think in my last haul, I let you guys know that we are moving in November. Shout out to my neighbors and their dogs. We're still 100% solidifying where we will be going in November. We should know a couple days after this video comes out, actually. So hopefully there will be some exciting news coming your way shortly. But in the meantime, I promised you an apartment tour and I never delivered. So I thought that in light of the fact that we would be moving and we have a small furry friend coming to visit, we thought we would show you Miss Aurora's house. Want to show them around? She's like, nah, put me down, please. Please let me go watch the dogs walk around. All right, be good. So, we have lived here for just about a year, just a little over a year. Our lease was 15 months. Shout out to also the people that have been with me from the very beginning. Last month we celebrated 3 years on my channel. I completely forgot because I've been so absorbed with wedding and finding a place to live. But thank you guys for supporting me for so long. But it is a 1-bedroom with a den, 900 square feet, not enough space for us. So we are hoping to move up. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the cleanest our apartment has probably ever been since the day that we walked into it. Let's just take that into consideration. So I'm just gonna try and shoot some of it like this and then showing some of it the other way. Brett is at work, so I can't have him hold the camera for me. But this is our entryway, which currently has a bunch of boxes because they were just sitting in the middle of the room, but I didn't think that would be aesthetically pleasing, so I moved them. And then this is our little living room. She's hiding in the boxes. We had an event and Smart Pop sponsored it, so here you go. So a lot of this furniture was hand-me-downs from family and friends. That chair came from Brett's mom. That was Brett's. That was mine in college. That's the fancy TV his parents bought us for Christmas. That's our tiny little patio. The couch was my parents'. The side tables were Brett's grandparents'. The ottoman was my parents'. That's my lamp. That's my mom's lamp. Like, we don't have anything that's ours, really. I mean, I had Christmas lights strung at one point. As you can see, it ended up failing. They were all the way around the room, though. So this is kind of like when you walk in, this is what you see. So that's just Brett's golf bag that he just leaves there because we literally don't have anywhere else to put it. So on the other side is our kitchen and my beautiful Prada bag. Unboxing coming soon. So Rory eats her food on the floor there. And then this is just our little tiny kitchen. This is kind of what we've done with it. That's our walk-in pantry that's a nightmare right now. It's full of more boxes. There's not really anything to see there. We've got some fun things up here. Shout out to my girls. This is from Ashley's wedding. Who remembers that vlog? This is Ashley's invitation. And this is Sarah, my best friend, who I'm her maid of honor. She's getting married December. So that's her little thingy. So then back around here, I hope I'm not making anyone dizzy. In here is the den. Whoop, whoop. This is, so when you see selfies, this is where I'm at. That was from my old office at my old job. This is just this is actually Brett's bedside table from his apartment, and it ended up in here because there was nowhere else to put it because I got him a new one. There's our weighted vest. Our workout equipment is all over the apartment, to be totally honest. Some hangy things, my 2018 vision board. Back here looks insane, but this is stuff that needs to be listed on my Poshmark. These are the Poshmark things I use to ship things, and then this is the literal Poshmark closet, like actually. So if it's in here and it's hanging or in that thing, it's for sale. Pretty much. And then we have like files and packing materials up in that bag. So this is my great-grandmother's dining room table. It does have a leaf in it that we can put in it. So this will go hopefully where we have a living room or a dining room. So after filming this, I have a haul that I'm going to be filming for you guys. That's my grandfather and me when I was like, I don't even know, 6 or 7 maybe, and that's my very first kitten. And then that's me and Brett, obviously. So this is my bookshelf. It has just a lot of crap on it, to be totally honest. We've got makeup down here, we've got shoes, packing supplies, all kinds of things. We have the roses from Florida, we've got some sorority stuff, some Gucci boxes, all kinds of things. Fun stuff, and then more crap behind here. This is when I have my thread up stuff, that's where it stays. Okay, so then walking back out of the den, across from the den is the laundry room. So we don't have a lot of storage space, so there's extra pillows up there. A lot of our extra linens are up here, washer and dryer. And this is Rory's room. So we leave her kennel out all the time so that she's not afraid of it when we have to put her in it. That's worked really, really well for us. That was originally our bathroom mat and ended up looking kind of grimy, so we put it in here. And she lays on it because she's gross and she doesn't care. So, laundry room, den, hallway to the bedroom. So before we get to the bedroom, we have a closet that's Brett's, and we have our master bathroom, which I have literally never seen so clean in my entire life. So proud of myself. We have a lot of crap on the counter. Like, look at all this crap. Oh my God. We have a lot of things. So there's a door to the bedroom through here, and then also in this hallway, there's 1,000 wall switches, for God's sake. So this is our bedroom, and we're not gonna go over there because that's Brett's side of the bed, and he did not pick up his pile of clothes like I asked him to. So, let's see, this is the bed. This was my bed from my parents' house. For those wondering, the bedspread is Tommy Bahama. It came from Marshall's, and it was like $70, but we got it on sale half off. The pillow is also from Marshall's, which I love. It's a turtle made out of succulents. I'm obsessed with it. My bedside table also came from Marshall's, and so did Brett's over there. The lamps were his. I got this cat from the thrift store a long time ago, and that's the turtle Brett bought me at the airport a while ago. So then this is my dresser from my parents' house. And we've just got a couple of things that you probably recognize. This is that hat from Anthropology. Woo! Get that off of there so you can actually see that thing. I actually picked this up at the thrift store, and I think it's from Pier 1. I think it was in a haul. If you remember that, let me know. So over here on the other side, we have my suitcase because we're leaving in about 48 hours. We have some stuffed animals. This is the set, what do I want to say? You know, TV console that Brett's parents bought us for Christmas last year. We love it. It's fabulous. So fancy. And then the other side is Brett's stuff. That's literally it. Like, that's the whole thing. Oh wait, the closet. Just kidding. Just kidding. You want to see the closet, right? Look at my bras. I mean, you see them all the time because I haul them all the time. But this is our walk-in closet. The place where we think we're moving has no walk-in closets. And it's a little sad, but it'll be okay. So this is our walk-in closet that's, oh my God. It is clearly stuffed to the brim, and there is clearly no organization. Not really. I mean, the dresses are in the corner. That's about all I got. My thousands of pairs of shoes. I mean, like, but for real, this is a realistic walkthrough, you guys. I mean, before I shot this, I couldn't even walk on the floor. So that's, you know, a positive thing. So I've got shoes and pants and sweatpants, things I wear more regularly over here. my lovely belts. I need to pack this, so I'm gonna pull it down while I'm thinking about it. So it's kind of a weird shape in here. Laundry basket, shoe rack, and then back here are extra pillows and all of my purses and such. So, okay. All right, you guys, so now that's actually it. I hope you enjoyed this tour. It is really, really small. I'm really excited to share with you where we hope we are moving. Details to come on that shortly, I hope. So, that is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And I will catch you in the next one. Love you, Warrior Crew. Bye.